Hello everyone and welcome to Momentum channel. In this video we'll review all you need to know about Virgin Galactic, its future space travels and company's stock. Virgin Galactic is a British spaceflight company within the Virgin Group. It is developing commercial spacecraft and aims to provide suborbital space flights to space tourists. The company was founded in 2004 by British entrepreneur Sir Richard Branson, who had previously founded Virgin Atlantic Airline and the Virgin Group. Virgin Galactic's mission is to use space for good while delivering an unparalleled customer experience. In December 2018, the company managed to successfully complete its first suborbital spaceflight, with 2 pilots reaching an altitude of 82.7 kilometers, officially entering outer space by US standards. Later, in February 2019, the project carried 3 people, including a passenger, with a member of the team floating within the cabin during a spaceflight that reached 89.9 kilometers, or 55.9 miles. How does the flight to space will feel like? Let me give you an idea. After 3 days of training and preparation at the Spaceport America, Virgin Galactic's astronauts will board Spaceship 2 in the early morning, dressed in custom-fitted flight suits and fully equipped to fly. After a conventional runway takeoff, the Virgin Galactic's vehicles will climb to an altitude of 50,000 feet. At that point, the spaceship will be released from the aircraft and enter a gentle glide. Within seconds, the rocket motor will be fired and the spaceship's nose pitched to a near vertical climb. A surge of energy will produce acceleration forces and propel the spaceship to speeds approaching 3.5 times the speed of sound towards the black sky of space. At the appropriate moment, the pilots will shut off the rocket motor, immediately allowing those on board to leave their seats for several minutes of true weightlessness. The pilots will maneuver the spaceship to give the best possible views of Earth and the blackness of space. As gravity pulls the spaceship back towards the Earth's upper atmosphere, astronauts will return to their personalized, custom-designed seats, which will provide support and comfort as the air outside the spaceship thickens and the spaceship rapidly decelerates. At around 50,000 feet after the re-entry, the spaceship's wings will be returned to their normal configuration, ready for a dynamic glide back to Spaceport America for a smooth runway landing. As the newly official astronauts step out of the spaceship, they will be part of the most exclusive group of adventurers in the world and ready to join their family and friends to celebrate in true Virgin style. But how can you start your journey to space? Those who are interested should first enroll in what is called as One Small Step, by paying a fully refundable registration fee of $1,000. Virgin Galactic will apply the $1,000 deposit as the price of the actual reservation in future should you make such decision to proceed with your flight. Now, you may be wondering how much these new seats to travel to space will cost when they become available. Well, that's a great question, but before that, make sure you are ready to apply for a new loan, as the price tag may well cost you an arm and a leg. While Virgin Galactic has not disclosed the exact price tag and may be able to offer a range of prices, they have indicated that they will initially be charging more than $250,000 price point, which was offered to those who signed up early. Lastly, we wanted to review how as a stock market investor you can be part of this one-of-a-kind business and have a share in the space tourism industry. Virgin Galactic stock is currently traded on New York Stock Exchange with the ticker symbol SPCE. Based on its last closing price, the stock was traded at $24.31 USD per share, which is about 42% less than its previous 52-week high price. Keep in mind that the stock's 52-week low price was at $6.90. Based on analyst estimates, Virgin Galactic's revenue will soar in 2021. Company's revenue in 2019 was $3.78 million, but it is estimated to reach $4.42 million in 2020 and then skyrocket to $108.9 million in 2021, showing a 24-fold increase compared to 2020 estimates. Despite the projected increase in revenue, the earnings estimate will continue to be negative over the next several years, based on analyst estimates. The company's balance sheet is fairly decent, showing current and total assets surpassing its current and total liabilities respectively. In terms of profitability, the company is showing a gross profit margin of almost 47%. Nonetheless, it has net income margin of negative 10,204%, a return on equity of negative 99%, and a return on assets of negative 40%. According to the last quarter's earning report for Q1 of 2020, the company had strong cash position with cash and cash equivalent of $419 million as of March 31st, 2020. Moreover, the company had a quarterly revenue of $238,000 generated by providing engineering services. That said, it had a net loss of $60 million, though it was narrowed from a $73 million net loss in fourth quarter of 2019. Virgin Galactic will report its financial results for the second quarter of 2020 on Monday, August 3rd, 2020 after market close. Personally, I find this company and its stock quite intriguing. I believe the space tourism is a unique luxury market that can attract many rich people as clients. In fact, the Q1 financial presentation from Virgin Galactic shows that there are about 2 million people in the world with more than $10 million in net worth in 2019, which are considered as the leads and potential customers for space travel. I may consider buying shares of Virgin Galactic in stages before their next quarterly report. That said, this is a speculative and risky investment, so investors should be sure to do their own research before they invest in SPCE or any other stock. I'm not a financial advisor, and these are just my opinions based on my interest and research. By the way, if you're intrigued by the space industry and want to invest in space-related businesses but do not want to put all your eggs in one basket, you could invest in an exchange-traded fund that consists of a basket of companies in the space research field. One that I'm considering is called UFO, or Procure Space ETF. It consists of several holdings, including Virgin Galactic, which has a weightage of only about 5% in this ETF, as well as numerous other companies as part of this basket in the UFO ETF, such as Maxar Technologies, Garmin, and SiriusXM. Do you own shares of Virgin Galactic or any other space-related businesses? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I put a lot of time and effort to prepare this video, so if you did enjoy it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone else who might enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe to Momentum channel. Here on Momentum, we post weekly videos about stock market investing and finances. Hope to see you next time.